Good evening everybody, and happy Tuesday and happy start of all the moving vlogs. So I am shifting up and shifting out of my current flat, and surprise announcement, I am moving in with my sister. So I dropped a little hint on my community tab in the post that I uploaded a few days ago. So you guys guessed correctly, I am moving in with Leonie, and we get the keys to our new place on Friday. So I need to pack up all of this, and sorry, not Friday, Saturday we get the keys, but I need to start packing up here, which is why you'll notice that some of the original artwork is going back up, etc. So I've started a little bit, and I got these moving boxes from Amazon. They're actually smaller than I thought they would be, so not great, but yeah, they just look like so. So I've packed up like my office area pretty much. I just need to remember to pack the printer. So I'm going to do everything in this room. Maybe not all the kitchen stuff just yet, because I'll probably still need to use some of that, but at least, yeah, try and get that part of the living area packed up, and then, yeah, make a start. I've got 20 boxes, I've got a lot of crap, and it's going to be a long week, so I thought I would kick off the vlog here. I'm just labeling up the boxes as well. So yeah, pack with me, move in with me, get settled into the new place with me. You'll see that later in the vlog as well. So yeah, outfit of the day, skirt from ZARA, and just wore it with some tights and boots, and this turtleneck is from H&M. So I'm finishing up packing in here. The battery is flashing low, and I don't have the charging thing. I think I've packed that away in one of the boxes, so I'll have to find that so I can keep vlogging on here. But done for the night. Got someone collecting my iMac, which I'm selling, and then I'm gonna head to bed for the night. Happy Wednesday, guys. It is 5 to 7. I've just got home from work and I thought I'd give you a bit of an update as to how the moving process is going. So bedroom is pretty bare and I've put the original lamps back on the bedside. I've also got 2 new packages that I'm going to talk you through in a second. But this is what the corridor and bathroom is looking like. Most things are sort of packed up. Cupboards empty. I've got a cleaning company coming on the day of my checkout, which is next week, Friday. So they're going to do a proper clean of this place. So I didn't want to get involved in all of that. And then I've only got literally 2 boxes left, and I've still got the rest of the kitchen stuff to pack. The stuff that is in here that I am taking, which is not much, to be honest, and there's some more boxes. I think I'm going to throw away the Christmas tree, although we might need one for the new place. Those clothes in the machine need to get taken out. Oh, gosh. And then this is pretty much the bulk of my stuff. So the place is furnished, so the sofa's staying, all that stuff over there is staying, the TV's going, those rugs are going, this is staying. So yeah, this is pretty much the bulk of stuff packed and ready to go. And I'm thinking, in the interests of being able to just pack everything away, I'm just going to have takeaway for the rest of this week. I've made an executive decision that that is what's going to happen until Saturday. So yeah, things are shaping up quite nicely, but I wanted to show you guys a sneak peek at my ZARA order. I'm going to be doing a haul. Please ask me why I'm still ordering online shopping to here. A complete idiot. But yeah, I ordered some bits from ZARA, so I'll show you this box just because it's here with another thing that I want to show you. So small box. What is this actually? So basically I ordered a bunch of new office wear. Put you guys there. So yeah, I ordered lots of office wear because my office wardrobe is sort of just running out of tops and matching separates, so needed a re-up on those. And then I just got some blazers to try on with you guys because I'm in the market for a new snazzy blazer. So what is in this box? I don't really know. So this is a khaki cropped bomber jacket. So if you want to see what that looks like on, you have to stay tuned for the haul. That mammoth haul will probably be about 2 or 3 of them that I'm going to do, and you'll see it in that. Then I got this package from a company called Burger. So if you watched one of my other ZARA hauls, you'll have seen that I unboxed a new laptop case and this phone case for the iPhone. So this, they sent me kindly a case from their new, I think it's a Safari collection. So it's a new case for my iPhone, and I picked it out on their website. So I just want to show you guys what it looks like and pop it on before I get into one of tonight's festivities. Oh, they sent me a laptop case as well. Oh, how sweet. Okay, so I was wondering why the box was so big for a phone case. So as you know, the phone cases come like this. Just got the Burger logo on the front, and then it says "Become Visible" at the back. It's got this kind of shiny iridescent packaging there, and then it opens up like that to reveal a nice marble effect phone case. So the new case just looks like that. Really, really nice design. Oh, so they sent me the matching laptop case. All right. Although, how do I open this? Because there is no zip. So we'll just do this. I don't think that's how you're supposed to open it, but yeah, it looks like that. That's really cool. Oh, how nice. So, little matchy. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to gift those. Oh, I don't know if the phone case will work. But I'm going to gift the case to my sister for her birthday, because I think she needs a new case for her. She's got a MacBook Pro. So, Leonie, if you're watching this, you shouldn't be. And happy birthday in advance. So yeah, that's what we're doing tonight. I'm not going to vlog like the last of the packing. I think the next time I switch on the camera will probably be on Saturday when it is moving day. So I'll see you guys then. Good morning, guys and girls. We are into moving day. Excuse my appearance. I'm wearing no makeup today because there's a lot to do. I've got to go sign the contract at the estate agents, which I'm running a little late for. So you guys are coming with me. So, update when the camera focuses. Got to my car, wasn't starting. I've just realised that I have some severe bags under my eyes, but also that the car battery is dead. So I need to pay £160 to get that replaced. And then I can have my car. So it's not a great start to today, but I'm going to say things can only get better from here. So I need to pack up my bed, essentially. Or really it's just the mattress topper and the sheets. And then the removal guys are running about 20 minutes late. So yeah, that gives me some time to get them a parking permit for when they show up here. And get out of here. So yeah, I'm going to do one final last look at this place. Obviously it's a furnished property, as in you rent it furnished. So sorry I didn't lay my bed in the morning. Most of the stuff is staying. It's pretty much all empty in here. Everything is in boxes. And yeah, we're basically good to go. So I'll probably see you guys in the new place. And it's going to be a bit of a mess, so bear with me. Hello, everybody from the new house. Flat, apartment, whatever. So I'm in my room. You can see the headboard there and all of my boxes and bed stuff over there. I'm waiting for my bed to arrive from Argos. And I'm currently unpacking, so I'll just show you. I've made no progress because basically, okay, here's what happened. So you see this wardrobe down here, just there, that one is my wardrobe, and it wouldn't fit up the stairs, so I've had to hire a TaskRabbit to come and disassemble it and then reassemble it, disassemble it, bring it up, and then reassemble it in my room, which has just been a whole nightmare. I've probably already mentioned that my car wasn't starting this morning. And now we don't have internet and we can't get it ordered until later today. So there's a lot of snags going on, but I'll just do a quick tour for you. Okay, so this is the living room area. We're going to get some curtains. And that is the kitchen. And then if you go through here, this is my room, and there's an ensuite in here. It's actually quite spacious in here, which probably takes up some of the room space, but I don't mind. So yeah, this is the bathroom. That light has an annoying flicker, but anyway, here's my mirror. Love this. There's the sink, that's the shower. Nice big shower head. Well, the toilet seat doesn't look like it fits. And then I believe this is the boiler. So, you know, it's not as bougie as I'm used to. But what it is cheap. Very ideally located. The station is literally just over there, so I can get to work nice and easily. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for my bed to arrive, and then oh, people are seeing the wardrobe. Yeah, and then I'm gonna in the meantime I'm gonna start unpacking the kitchen stuff. So let me get to that, and I'll come back on here when I've made some progress, and maybe when my sister's arrived, and we can chat to you then. I've been looking at this all day. So, back at the counter. Hey. The house name. I have not actually announced it on here yet. Announced it. No.
Yeah, welcome to the counter.
Oh, welcome to my new housemate. Housemates are unpacking.
Well, is eating the grilled cheese?
Yeah, well, she's got the right idea. I've not eaten anything since morning, so I'm going to sort that out, and then we're going to get to unpacking. Good morning from the counter. Romy. We've done a few bits, a bit of set up. I'll show you my room. Happy to keep the camera out of yours, unless you want.
Yeah, it's not ready yet.
Oh, right, okay, cool. So I've got a few bits set up in here. Moved the wardrobe to there, getting some drawers for there. Doing some things in here, etc. But Leona's going to help me out and just vlog me trying on this new jacket. There's a full-on Zara haul coming, but we'll just call this a mini haul for the time being. So this is a Zara faux leather jacket from the TRF collection. I've got it in a small. It's $49.99. Let's see how she looks on. What are we thinking?
I won't fix the collar. No, just there, that thing. Yeah.
No, it doesn't. That doesn't lay flat.
Wow. I like it though.
Yeah.
Nice little throw on thing.
Could you flip up this way? Oh yeah. That is perfect. Right. Well, keeper. We love it.
Spoiler alert.
Okay, guys. So finished up in my room. Just pop some paintings up. Iron my bed sheets a bit. Still a little bit of work to do, but the Prada sign is up. We've got a microwave over here, which we've got from Argos, and we're all pretty much set up in here. Oh, the coffee table's up. Progress. So yeah, this is this week's vlog. I'm just going to head to my mum's to edit it because I don't have internet here. So hope you've enjoyed. Zara haul and another moving vlog / update to come soon. If you're not subscribed, make sure you do. Like this video, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time in the corner.
See you guys.